me and the homies. But this will be a good thing that I'll be able to pull from the tick data as well. Regardless, it can just be set up on a server, super easy to do. I show you how to do that across my videos, but I want to show you all the code for how to actually collect this data right now, so you have access to it for the rest of your life. And if you do want to set it up on a server or something, that's what I'm going to do right now. I know Wall Street's never going to show you this information, so I wanted to just show you really quickly. This is all the code. I'm not going to talk about it too much. You can ask AI if you got questions, but I'm going to go ahead and make sure that you get all this code here so you have tick data, because like I said, a lot of people swear by tick data, and we built out some OFI back tests and saw some cool things. And I think this could be at minimum a nice filter for strategies that I have working, or other strategies that may be close to working. I'm not sure. We'll explore, but more data for a data dog is exactly what I want. So I probably should have set this up a month ago when I set it up on my computer, but that was a noob move. That was a noob move. I've been collecting the liquidation data for over a year now, so everybody asks, Munda, why you have all these things on your screen? Why you so cute with it all the time? Why you gotta be such a cool guy? I'm collecting the data, dog. And if I look at everything on the screen, I can see when the orders speed up, okay, what's going to happen to the liquidations? Anything that will spark an idea. That's the only reason I love this game so much, is because it's idea after idea and shot after shot. You get to test everything, dude. So I'm going to go ahead and take this code now, and I'm going to go ahead and set it up on my server. Super easy to do. I just showed you all of the code. So I use Ubuntu, a server, like, you know, whatever. Just type in VPS server. I don't want to say a name of a company. Everybody thinks I'm shilling one. So I got no no connection there with any. But you can go ahead and just type in VPS. And all I have to do is log in and go ahead and put it in there. I want to explore this data a little bit more first. Before I set up my server, I want to make sure everything is clear between you and I, and me and the AI. So let's go ahead here and say Conda activate T-flow, bro. And then we're going to go ahead and do dangerous mode, because we only do dangerous mode. I don't like Claude Code without dangerous mode, matter of fact. If you're using Claude Code, are you using dangerous mode? Because I can't stand Claude Code without it. Okay, so what I want you to do is explain my ultra fast collector. What is it collecting specifically? And how does it save the files? Also, we have a file that goes ahead and turns the output of this file into a CSV. What file is that? And how would you suggest, in the most minimal way, to get this production server, this server ready? In my mind, all I need to do is copy this code over into the server on a Python file and start running it. But is it all set in a way that it will make the storage folders by itself? And another thing that would be helpful is if we had I could set up another screen. So I'll set this up on screens in my server. But if I had another screen that was occasionally, maybe every few minutes, like 5 minutes for now, if it ran and turned this data output into a CSV, because my end goal is to be able to pull that data from my API, but in CSV format. Okay, so I have a bunch of questions there. We got any questions in the chat? Can Claude Code get VS Code built-in diagnostics of errors? I'm not sure. Sapien Short started. that's what incubation with historical data. My algo is fine. Well, it's got to be better than fine, bro, because it's gonna be worse in live market. So I got your answer right there, dude. I keep pushing, dog. It's got to be better than fine. And the pass will not. Yeah.